Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I wanted to do more of a technical video for you guys on the Tim Sistem Northwood cook stove. So I have a lot of videos on this product actually. I have videos showing you how to light a fire, how to cook in it, temperature readings, general overviews, factory tours, so be sure to check them all out. I'm here at the factory in Serbia right now, so it's a perfect opportunity to show you guys the stove up close, to show you guys the stove taken apart, how it's constructed, etc. So this is the Northwood cook stove right here. It is going to be made in Serbia. This model here is going to be the left-hand flue. So when you have the left-hand flue, that is going to put the firebox on the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front. So it's going to be a little bit reversed from the standard cook stove that we're used to seeing in North America. We do have a nice tight seal on the firebox door, as you can see, fully lined here. It is going to be a refractory fire brick located on each side, the rear, the bottom, and the top of the firebox with a cast iron grill. There is an ash pan that pulls out here as well. We do have the pan drawer, which pulls out directly below the unit. Now this one is going to be the black color, okay? So black doors, black side panels, but it always does come standard with the stainless trim on the pan drawer. Located inside the oven, it is going to be a stainless steel lining. Your oven cleanout is located on the front of the stove. Your oven door is going to be fully gasketed as well. The top towel rack here comes standard, and then it does come with just one removable ring directly above the firebox. Now, because it does have the refractory brick on the top of the firebox there, you're not going to be able to lift this up to drop a pot for like wok style cooking unless you were to remove those baffles, which is not recommended. So even though you have this removable, it's not for that style of cooking. Keep that in mind. So I'm going to take you guys up close so you can see inside the firebox and inside the oven. Here we have our inside view of the firebox. You can see the full fire brick lining. These are the baffle system I'm talking about at the top of the stove. You can see those air holes located at the back for heat transfer. This is going to be your cast iron grate. It does have a log stopper right here, which keeps your logs from rolling forward and hitting the front of the glass. Ash pan's going to be located below. Simply pulls out. Pan drawer gives you a fair amount of space down in there. And then inside the oven. Gasketing material was changed since I filmed in the showroom, so you can see this nice thick quality on the oven as well. Here we have the rear of the stove, so you can note the change on the back panel. For anyone wondering what the stove looks like from the back, especially on the black model, it's really not noticeable. This would look absolutely fine in the middle of a room. It is going to be either a top vent or a rear vent model, which is interchangeable on site. All right, this is going to be the body of the North cook stove before it's come out of production on the assembly line. This is going to be the stainless steel upgrade that we talked about in between the firebox and the firebox side, and also in between the oven. And then this panel is currently off right now, but this would have the stainless steel panel as well. If you guys find these overview helpful, please don't forget, give them a quick little thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.